Hi, let's look at this question together. Mr. To wants to make 25 small bowls and 22 big bowls. The length of the ribbon used to make 6 big bowls is the same as 8 small bowls. He managed to make 10 big bowls and 16 small bowls with 1,320 centimeters of ribbon. A. How many small bowls can he make with the same length of ribbon needed to make 12 big bowls? And the length of the ribbon needed to make the remaining bowls. Okay, so in the question there's a lot of bowls. Okay, so we just simplified them by using big and small, B for big and S for small. So the first thing is to understand what information can we extract from the question. So the first thing we say is that the length of the ribbon used to make 8 big bowls is the same as 8 small bowls. So we know that if I have 8 big bowls, the length required is actually equal to 8 small bowls. Okay, so this is an important piece of information. Okay, then straight away we look at question A. He says that how many small bowls can he make with the same length of ribbon needed to make 12 big bowls? So now he's asking if I want to make 12 big bowl, what is the length? How many small bowl can I make? So if I know 6 big bowl, I can make 8 small bowl. That means 12 big bowl, I can make 16 small bowl. Okay, so that is the answer for part A. Okay, so now the answer for part B is that what is the length of the ribbon needed to make the remaining bowls? So be careful this part. To make the remaining bowls. Okay, so what are the remaining bowls that he refers to? Because he wants to make 25 small and 22 big. And he already made 10 big and 16 small. Okay, so now we look. Okay, so he wants to make 10 big and 16 small. Okay, and from 10 big and 16 small, we know that he used 1320 centimeter. And from part A, we already know that 16 small bowl is equal to 12 big bowl. So we replace the 16 small with 12 big. From here, we can now very clear to say is that 22 big is equal to 1320 centimeter, and hence one big bowl will require 60 centimeter. Okay, so the moment we are able to find out the length of one big bowl, we can know that 6 big bowl will give me 360, and because 6 big bowl can make 8 small bowl, so 360 divided by 8, I can get 45. So now I'm very clear that small bowl will require 45 centimeter and big bowl will require 60 centimeter. So remember the question asked the remaining bowls, the length of the length of the ribbon needed to make the remaining bowls. So which means that he needs another 22 minus 10 because he already made 10. Okay, and for big bowls is 25 minus 16. Okay, sorry, for small bowl is 25 minus 16 or 9 small bowl. So if you multiply 12 for big bowl is 60 centimeter plus 9 times small bowl or 45 centimeter, total you add up will be 1125 centimeter. Hope that helps.